Hello everyone, the next Inktober prompt is violet. So I picked this page that's got a little purpley blue on it. And I want to pick my purple pen, this one, and I think I want a violet right here in this corner. Something like that, maybe. Thinking I need to do a bit of wash of color, but maybe I'll do some more just a little aura right here. That, and then I want a wash of color. I want some my Inktense, my little, there's a little water left in there. Okay. Let's use the violet Inktense pencil. Or my violet. Just get a little color on my brush. That works totally different than I expected. Oh fudge, now I'm dribbling. Ah, I'm splattering. I'm dribbling. I don't want to splatter. Although splattering might be interesting, but I'm not ready for splatter yet. Okay, I think I'm gonna, oops. I'm making a mess. I'm going to do this. I swear that's purple. On the screen it looks blue, but I'm using purple. I swear I am. And I think maybe some, this sort of magenta-y color would be good. Yeah. I'm gonna get some of this. I'm gonna get a bunch of it. Can't see. Super soppy. I really need to get some intense blocks, so I can do this with blocks instead. And I'm going to splatter. I'm making a mess everywhere. Oh well. I like that. And then I want a little pop of yellow right in the middle, I think. Really yellowy. Is that it? I think that's it. I think I need a little, maybe my watercolor pencils instead of my Inktense might have a different color. Come on. Oh, my little Derwent Inktense is stuck closed. Thinking that this might be a different color than that other one. Not quite as vibrant because it's the regular watercolor pencils and not Inktense. So I'm thinking I might get a different color out of it. Let's see. Oh, and look, I have a lighter color. I have a light violet too. I'll do that too. Try that. See what happens. What's the worst that can happen? Worst that can happen is that I don't like it. That's the worst that can happen. Right? It's just paper. It's just time to have fun, experiment, play. As grown-ups, we have forgotten how to play, I think. October is a good way to do that. Just play. Oh, I like those colors together. I'm happy with that. I think I'm done. Okay. Put my lid on here. Put that away. Find my pen so I can sign my picture. Okay, there we go. There is my next Inktober thing. You see, they're pretty short. They're 9 minutes, 5 minutes, 9 minutes. They're quick little studies that just get me going for the day. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.